We often feel like isolated voices in a crowded room, wondering if our voices even matter to the world stage at large. وَتَعَاوَنُوا عَلَى الْبِرِّ وَالتَّقْوَى. Cooperates in righteousness and piety. When we bring our experiences together, we aren't just Uncle Adam or individual advocates. We are a movement. Your voice is evidence needed to change how we fight this battle. If you haven't yet, please add your heartbeat to the Advocate Audit. Click the link under this video. This is how we turn silent battles into long-lasting change. The vessel is almost full. As we reach the end of Ramadan, I hope you've been able to find your own becoming. Let's carry the intention forward. Eid Mubarak in advance. See you next time in Ramadan and beyond with Uncle Adam.